everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this flower coaster. For this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 3mm. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this project I'm using crochet 4-ply cotton yarn. So let's get started. We begin with a slip knot, and once you have your slip knot, you need to work a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Once you complete your chain, you need to work a slip stitch in the first chain right here. You work your slip stitch, and now you have a ring. We are going to work the next row in this ring. For the next row we start with chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now in this circle you need to work 19 double crochets. Start with 1, 2, 3 and continue till you have 19 double crochets. After you complete your row, you need to join it with a slip stitch into the first chain 3 that you started this row with. And now, counting the chain 3 and the double crochets, you need to have a total of 20 stitches. To start the next row, you chain 3 again. In the next stitch you work 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Again, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. That's 1 and 2. Chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Again, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. And now you need to continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. I've completed the last 2 double crochets here. Now you chain 2 and you need to work a slip stitch into the first chain 3 that you started this row with. Now for the next row, we need to go into this space, the chain 2 space. So we are going to work another slip stitch in the next stitch and a slip stitch in the chain space. We are going to start the row in the chain space here. Now you chain 3, you work 1 double crochet in the same chain space, chain 2, and you work 2 double crochets in the same chain space, 1 and 2. You need to skip the 2 double crochets here. We are going to work directly in the next chain space. In the next chain space you work 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets in the same chain space, 1 and 2. Again, we are going to skip these 2 double crochets in the next chain space. You work 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets in the same chain space. Now you need to continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. After you complete your row, you need to join it with a slip stitch into the first chain 3 right here. And now you need to work a slip stitch into this gap, the space that you have between these 2 double crochets. Insert your hook right into that and work a slip stitch like this. Now we're going to skip these 2 double crochets and we're going to start the row right into this chain space. So in this chain space you need to work 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we are skipping 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Right in between them you work a single crochet. Again you skip 2 double crochets. In the chain space you work 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Skip 2 double crochets. Right here you need to work a single crochet. In the next chain space we are skipping 2 double crochets again. In the next chain space 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Skip 2 double crochets, work a single crochet. And now you need to continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. After you complete your row, you need to join it with a slip stitch into the first stitch right here. And now you chain 1 and cut your yarn. We've completed making the flower coaster. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.